So there are different types of elements in under topic. The first one is basic topic elements. When I say basic, I showed you different types of topic templates, right? There is this topic template that's generic, and there is concept, there is troubleshooting, there is task, there is reference, right? Which are not generic, very specific types. So the elements are the same for basic elements. If it is not a specific type of template, you can use the basic topic elements. And when you go into specific type like concept, what is allowed inside concept would be different versus what is allowed inside a regular topic. So under concept, you can have its own tags apart from the general body tags. So that's basic topic elements. I'll show you an examples in the next slide. And then there are body elements. This you are mostly familiar with that, like paragraph list, ordered list, unordered list, images, figures. Those are called body elements. And then you have related links, like you might have seen when you're reading an article how to change background for Zoom. It gives you the content of it. At the end, you will see a related articles, right? So you can specifically link, even if there is no mention of the article inside the body. At the end, you can say, okay, this article is also related to how to change background for Zoom mobile, right? So those relations can be established via related link elements. I mean, there are cross-reference links. Cross-reference links are already part of your body, like, hey, read more. To read more, click here, right? It's part of the body. But if it is not part of the body and you still want to link article 1 to article 2, you use the related link elements section. And it serves as a navigation between one article to the other article. Like next steps, you can say next steps, click this article. Then for the next steps, click another article, right? I'll give you examples as well. So these are basic categorizations. You have basic topic templates, topic elements, and then body elements, related link elements. So under basic elements, you have the topic, the topic tag. This is like the parent tag for any topic. Your topic content would be inside the topic tag. Then you have title, which is the title of the topic. Now, let's say you have um, a title, the first title of the first topic inside a map is basically the H1. Now, if you add another topic next to as a sibling to the first topic, it becomes H2, right? If you embed a topic inside topic, and then that topic title will become H3. So I'll walk you through examples, but every topic will have a title, can have a title. Then there is title alternates, search title, nav title, short description, abstract, body, related links. These are basic topic elements that you need to be familiar with, right? Um, when a topic is generic, it would have topic as the root. When you have a specific topic like concept, task, reference, glossary, troubleshooting, right? Then it would have its own root. A generic topic would have topic as the root, whereas a specific topic will have its own. Like if you are creating a topic of type is equal to concept, the root element would be concept. If you are trying to create a topic of task, it will be task. Similarly, the other ones. So these are specializations, whereas topic is like a generic. When you do not know what type of topic it is, you can simply use a basic topic. Majority of the topics are like that. For example, here you can see there is a topic with ID topic 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a title, body, and under body you have the body content tags, right? P, unordered list, list item, etc. And ID is required for all the parent ones like digital elements, whatever element that you're using, it is definitely required. And the system generates it. If you click the plus sign, or if you try to type it, drag and drop, it will create an ID automatically. And that ID will be used when you try to refer one article to the other. We'll see examples later. Next slide. So you know the title, that's the H1 if it's the first one. Title alternates, like, see, sometimes you have a title, but you want to use an alternate title, especially like when you are embedding inside a table or navigation, right? You can have an alternate title. And then search title is different from title if you want to, when this result shows up. Let's say you have a topic with title get started, right? It might make sense because you're already, it's part of an article and the topic says get started. But if it shows up in search results, there could be multiple articles with same get started title, right? It doesn't make sense. So in such cases, we usually give a search title so that that title shows up in the search results instead of the regular title. And then you have nav title, short description, which is like a brief overview of what the topic is. I told you that every topic is self-contained. Every topic should have a meaning and purpose. So you can write a short description for topic. Abstract, again, is like an overview kind of thing, like a small gist of what the topic is, other than the short description. If you want to write more than, if you want to extend the short description, you can put it in abstract and have a little extension, show extension to the short description. Body is the root of it, the core body, the topic, like we saw in the previous example. And then related links, I was telling you, right? Like if you have an article, and then if it is referring to another article, another external article, right? You can always have related links at the bottom and say, establish connections between articles. There is this another document type called database, which is slightly different from map. We will see examples in our use case later, but data, when you use data as a tag, that means you are trying to compile a list of topics. It's a top level container. When you want to group multiple topics into one topic, you will use data again if you want to. Otherwise, you can also insert topic to give a hierarchy. It's just a logical grouping. In some specific use cases, you can use it, and it's still not tied to an article. There is no map. You're just trying to conceptually group some topics into one group. Whereas when you have a map, you're talking about an article that has a hierarchy, structure, order, and it converts into an output when you publish. So different body elements, these are self-explanatory. Most of them are similar to our HTML tags. When we jump into examples, we'll dig deep into each of these. You can see some familiar tags here, right? You have an alt tag, cite is for citation. You have description, div, glossary DL, and then UL, Q, note, long description, quote, keyword. So some of them are like very similar to HTML tags. Some are data specific. We'll get into them as we see more and more examples. The table elements, you can see if you have written in wiki documents, you might be familiar with these tags. In data, there are two types of tables. One is one type of table, it allows you to have more definition, more formatting, whereas another type is a simple table. It does not allow you to format. It's just a tabular representation. I'll show examples next. Like I was saying, right? Related links are different from cross references. Cross references are part of the body. When you want to establish a link outside of the body, that's when you use related links. Some tags that are related to related links: link, link list, link pool, link text, link info. Right? Definitions for each of that, self-explanatory. Each of these, I'll share the slide deck. For example, linked list is a list of links. Link pool, um, I have to find an example when to use link pool. I haven't used it. Link text is the text with associated with the link. Info is additional description for a link list, an additional attribute. Similarly, we have map elements. Map is a grouping of topics, right? So within map, you would mostly see references to topics, or sometimes a map can refer to another map. So you can insert map inside map. So there are basic map elements and then grouping elements for maps. Yeah, topic ref, topic meta, anchor, nav ref, relation table, relation row, relation cell, relation header, call space, UX window. So different types of elements allowed inside a map.